Welcome. In front of me is a XGODY, I think that's how you pronounce this, X15. And today I'll just go over simple unboxing, very quick, and just to see what we have in the box. So anyway, let's just pop it straight open. I'll mention I did already open it up, so I already know what's in here. So anyway, let's just quickly go through it. Nice padding right here, so the phone won't get damaged, as you can see. We get the phone itself. It has a removable battery, so you just take off this complete cover right here to get into the battery. We do have a screen protector applied to the device already, so I did peel it off. I'll say that up front, but you can see it right here. So we do have a screen protector applied. Get some foam to protect the phone. Then below that, we have basically everything that we will most likely need. So one thing that I'll give them props for is the inclusion of not one screen protector, not two, but actually three. So the one that comes pre-applied is plastic. The one that you get in the package right away is also plastic, as you can see. Then we get a case. The silicone, it is really flimsy, but it's included and for free. The battery, but at the bottom you will see they also included a tempered glass. So you get two plastic ones and a tempered glass in the box, which is really nice. Got some instructions in here, and we get also a charger along with a charging cable. This is a micro USB, as the phone takes only micro USB, as you can see right here, so no Type-C unfortunately. And here we get a 5-watt charger. You can see right here, 5 volts, 1 amp. And that's everything that we get in the box. So I'm just gonna bring it into the view. I think I'm missing something. Oh, there we go, like this. So there we go, that's all that is in the box. Charger, cable, phone, two protective little things for your display, along with one pre-applied battery, and a silicone case. There we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.